Presiden ke NPP bat Myntri Rangbah ke jela Conrad ke Sangmau la poi Dimapur bani Kynduh yau Myntri Rangbah ke jela Nagaland uni Pirio. Yau sama la Leit ban senran lang da unang yalam ke NPP bat ulam prang ke ying dor bat thau ain ke jela Meghalaya u Thomas Sangma. Kene ke jinglit ya Kynduh u Conrad Rio la ban tre lang ke NPP bat ka NDPP ha Nagaland ha kene ke election MP Shalok Sabha ka ban Salong Shen.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Excuse me. Yeah. Excuse me.
Long live NPP! Long live Conrad!
I first of all would like to thank all of you for the very warm welcome that you have given to me and to our Honorable Speaker of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly, who is also very senior leader of the party, who has been with the party since late P.A. Sangma's time. So we are all very happy to be here today to meet all of you. And as you're aware that we have come here to discuss different political issues, different party issues, and after this we'll be all going for a meeting. And post that we'll be having a discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland also. I have a meeting with him. So I look forward to our deliberation today. And once again, I thank you so much for this very wonderful and very warm welcome